Hello kids, Mr. Agee here, and I'm here to explain your Words Their Way word study assignment for Wednesday, October 28th. Just like yesterday, we looked at the short A and long A sounds when you add a silent E to the end of words that have an A in the middle. This time we are looking at the short I sound compared to the long I sound when you stick that silent E on the end of the word. So you're going to be doing sort 7, which starts on page 25 in your Words Their Way Volume 1 workbook. And we are looking at words that have the short I sound, like in pig, and the long I sound, like in kite. And there might be an occasional oddball that doesn't have either of those sounds in it for you to sort out of the list. You'll do it the same way you've been doing it. You'll sort the short I words into the short I list and paste them in. You'll sort the long I words into the long I list and paste them in, and then put the oddballs out here. And at the end, you've got a list of words to categorize in short I and long I. So what we're looking at is words like this one, prize, that has that silent E. You can't hear that E, but it gives the I the power to say its name. So it's a code. When you see an I with a consonant and then another E at the end, then that silent E tells that I to say its name. It does the same thing here in nice. So we've got consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. That silent E tells the vowel to say its name. So we've got nice, and then we don't hear the E. So if it doesn't have that silent E on the end, it is following the consonant, vowel, consonant sound pattern. So here, even though we've got K-I-C-K, it's ending in two consonants. This C-K makes one sound K. So we've got a consonant, K, short vowel, I, consonant, K, I, K. So that is the pattern that we're looking to figure out here. So short I words on the pig list and long I words on the kite list. The words you have to sort today are stick, kick, pin, dice, prize, 5, gift, hike, life, flip, dish, rich, thin, swim, nice, drive, spill, 9, give, mice. You will notice that there's a word here that does not follow the long I CVC silent E pattern. That's this word here, give. The word give has an I consonant silent E at the end, but for some reason, this I remains as a short I. So if you're just looking for the vowel consonant silent E pattern, this one's going to throw you off a little bit. Okay, so we've got a short I here in this word give. And the only thing I can do to explain that is let you know that English is kind of funky and some things you got to remember. This is one of those words that you just have to remember. All right, so Wednesday we've got the short I, long I sort, and we'll be looking forward to the Thursday sort, short O, long O, the following day on the 29th. Good luck, do your best, and have fun.